What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1966 Biscayne. Does have a 454 big block, cammed up, ready to go. This is a 4-speed car. I want you to check out maplemotors.com, additional pictures, all of our inventory, and shipping information. We also have financing available, so definitely check that website out. If you want to see this kind of stuff every single day, hit that subscribe button. You can also hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way it notifies you every time I post a car. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, kind of peek around the interior here, check everything out. Go ahead and start it up. Just with my foot away from the gas pedal. Engine has warmed up. We just did a walk around video on this one. Try the blower motor. I don't believe it works. Can't get the radio to work. Definitely take the horn pole up in the top right corner. Do you think the horn works? Windshield wipers do work, but the blades need to be replaced. We'll probably replace those. But they do work for sure. I don't want to mess the window up, so. It does have electronic cutouts. Nice and loud right now. You hit A. Nice and quiet. Isn't that cool? 67,000 miles is what it says. I can't stand behind that. That's got a different motor. And this is a 66 model. All right, did y'all take the horn pole? Not working on the steering wheel, but look below the dash here, there's a button. It's working. All right, let's roll out. Get ready to take off here. Get my seatbelt on. This other one's all the way up under this seat. Nobody wore it in a while. Here we go. It is a hot day here in Tennessee. Anything I see that is wrong with this car, I will point out and let you know. That way you know what you're coming to get. Clutch lets out about halfway. It felt pretty good. Definitely sounds good. Got a good amount of power behind it. My mirror needs to be tightened up. This car feels pretty sweet. Steering wise, it does have slack in the steering. Starts turning there, starts turning there. Just giving you an idea on that. If I let go of the steering wheel, we do slightly pull to the right. So it does have a slight pull to the right. We're going to stop at the gas station because I don't know how much fuel we have and the gas gauge is on E. Try my brakes while nobody's behind me. Brakes are stopping fast, so they're good. So we pull up in the gas station here. I'm gonna cut the exhaust off. That way I don't have to yell at y'all. We'll leave that off for the rest of the test drive. May cut it on when we do some of the shots on the exterior. But it's definitely cool, a definite cool option to have, to be able to open your exhaust up. Let's get some gas. It's gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel. Gas tank is right here behind the car. Got gas rolling in it right now. And we're gonna check the gas gauge out as soon as we leave here. Okay, I've jumped back off in the car here. On the left, there's our gas gauge, getting ready to start it up. Let's see if it moves. It is moving. So they left us with no gas, so at least we got half a tank now. All right, let's keep rolling. off now. We're good to go. Put y'all in the virtual driver's seat here. Leaving the parking lot here, it got around 200 on the temp. This is a big block, so that is normal. You don't want it to, you know, sit in traffic for 30 minutes in one spot or anything, especially with a 454 built like this. But it never got real hot, just 200, that's all right. Checking my mirror behind me. I don't want to be getting down on it with a police officer sitting behind me. That'd be dumb. This car is actually really good running and driving wise. Most everything's working on all your gauges. Engine staying cool, oil pressure, I mean, it's at 60, 50 at the least. And that's after it's good and warm. Of course, the exhaust is open right now. Pretty loud. We'll close it up for the rest of the test drive. I really like that option, being able to cut that off. The clutch is actually rested against some metal on the floor there, causing it to vibrate. If I put my foot just on the tip of it, get it off the metal, it actually stops. How much quieter that is. She'll spin the tires for sure. Big old bump in the road here. Hardly feel it in this big car. This thing's running and driving awesome. Wait for some of this traffic to move on, and we'll take off here. I think we got the green light. Sweet. Feels good. Go ahead and head on back to the lot. Got a good test drive in today on this one. The channel, definitely check out the walk-arounds on this car. This thing's powerful. I love it. Love it. Pulling on back into the car lot here. Oil pressure's at 40 right now. Engine temp's at 200. Just kind of staying there. Go ahead, get pulled in here and go ahead and do the next car. Just got back from the test drive. If y'all enjoyed that, hit that subscribe button. Getting ready to get it over to this Camaro next, where we can knock all these cars out. We do these test drives to tell you everything about them before you drive up here. You can also check out the walk-around videos, close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories that we can transport these cars all over America. Do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely watch the walk-around video. It'll be in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks again, guys.